You know that bottle of fuel injector cleaner you just poured into your gas tank? There's a chance it's doing absolutely nothing. Or worse, it's quietly causing damage that could lead to a repair bill costing more than the car itself. The market is flooded with promises, smoother engines, better mileage, restored power, but the shocking truth is that most of these products are built on cheap, ineffective, and sometimes harmful formulas. After analyzing the ingredients, the science, and the real-world results, I found 7 popular cleaners you should avoid at all costs, and 3 that are genuinely worth your money. Let's start with the ones to avoid. Hack number 7. Kerosene-based cleaners. That sharp chemical smell from a budget bottle isn't just strong, it's a telltale sign. Many of the cheapest cleaners use kerosene as their primary solvent. It's inexpensive and it mixes with fuel, so on the surface it seems like it should work. But kerosene lacks the chemical potency to dissolve the hardened carbon deposits that actually rob your engine of performance. It's like using dish soap to strip years of paint off a wall. It's just not up to the task. The real danger is what it does to your gasoline. Kerosene significantly lowers the octane rating. This leads to pre-ignition, engine knock, a persistent rattling sound under acceleration that, over time, can crack pistons and destroy engine bearings. It's a short-term cleaner that sets the stage for long-term catastrophic failure. If kerosene weakens your fuel, the next type of cleaner attacks your entire fuel system. Hack number 6. Ethanol-based cleaners. This one seems counterintuitive. Our fuel already has ethanol, so a cleaner with more must be better, right? Wrong. Ethanol is a powerful, aggressive solvent. In high concentrations, its strengths become major weaknesses. Ethanol is hygroscopic, meaning it actively attracts and absorbs water from the air. Pour a high ethanol cleaner into your tank, and you're inviting moisture that leads to corrosion in your fuel lines, pump, and injectors. Corrosion that can cost thousands to repair. Furthermore, ethanol adds oxygen to combustion. This tricks your engine's computer, causing it to run too lean, increasing temperatures, and risking severe overheating and piston damage. If you drive a car made before the mid-2000s, consider these cleaners outright poisonous to your fuel system. But perhaps the most misleading are the brands that hide behind a familiar name. Hack number 5, Abro Fuel Injector Cleaner. Abro has built a reputation overseas and is gaining traction here. Many users report a temporary smoother feel, which is why it's so deceptive. When you break down its formula, the primary ingredient is often number 2 gas oil, essentially plain diesel fuel. Diesel is a solvent, but it was never engineered to clean a gasoline fuel system. It can loosen deposits, but it doesn't dissolve them. This means those chunks of carbon don't disappear, they simply break free and travel. Where do they end up? Clogging fuel filters, jamming injector nozzles, or being carried into the combustion chamber where they can score cylinder walls. You might get a brief sensation of improvement, followed by a cascade of new problems. It's a classic example of a product that creates the very issue it claims to solve. And then we have the legendary product used for the wrong job. Hack number 4, Marvel Mystery Oil as a primary cleaner. Let's be clear, Marvel Mystery Oil is a fantastic product with nearly a century of proven use, but its genius is in lubrication and prevention, not in cleaning. It excels at coating upper cylinders, valve stems, and injectors to reduce wear and prevent new deposits from forming. It's a protector. If your injectors are already gummed up with miles of carbon, MMO simply cannot break that buildup down. Using it as a cure for clogged injectors is like using a coat of wax to remove rust. You're using the right brand, but the completely wrong tool for the job. For existing deposits, you need a targeted detergent, not a lubricant. This next one might be the most controversial on the list. Hack number 3, Seafoam motor treatment for heavy-duty cleaning. Seafoam is a garage legend, and for good reason. It's incredibly versatile for stabilizing fuel, cleaning carburetors, and decarbonizing through the intake. But as a fuel injector cleaner for modern direct injection engines, it falls short. Its formula is based on naphtha and isopropyl alcohol, not the high-grade detergents needed to dissolve baked-on carbon inside high-pressure injectors. In practice, Seafoam often loosens carbon without fully breaking it down, potentially sending debris downstream to cause blockages. It's a great maintenance product for a healthy engine, but a weak solution for an engine already suffering from performance loss due to dirty injectors. If Seafoam is too weak, the next product is dangerously strong. Hack number 2, Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean is the brute force option. Its formula includes heavy hitters like acetone and xylene, solvents you'd find in a paint stripper. This gives it immense cleaning power with a massive risk. In an engine with significant buildup, it doesn't clean as much as it blasts. It can dislodge large chunks of carbon that then become destructive debris. This debris is notorious for fouling oxygen sensors, clogging catalytic converters, a $2,000 plus repair, and triggering persistent check engine lights. It's a product that should only be considered for preventative maintenance on a relatively clean engine. Using it as a cure-all for a neglected engine is a gamble you will likely lose. Finally, the most common and damaging shortcut of all. Hack number 1, alcohol-heavy formulas. Isopropyl alcohol-based cleaners are marketed as cheap all-in-one solutions. They absorb water and can cut through light varnish, but in reality, they are a triple threat to your engine's health. First, alcohol is a harsh drying agent. It will prematurely dry out, crack, and degrade the rubber and plastic seals throughout your fuel system, leading to leaks. Second, like ethanol, it leans out the fuel mixture, causing hotter combustion, engine knock, and increased wear. And third, and most critically, it lacks the detergent action to hold carbon in suspension. It loosens it, allowing it to redeposit somewhere worse. You're trading a $10 bottle for a high risk of hundreds in seals, sensors, and injector repairs. Now let's shift to the solutions. These 3 cleaners work because they're built on proven science, not just cheap solvents. The first reliable option is hack number 3, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Techron is the benchmark for a reason. It's a focused, no-nonsense cleaner built around a high concentration of PEA, or polyetheramine. PEA is the gold standard detergent. It doesn't just scrub surfaces, it chemically bonds to carbon deposits and systematically breaks them down into harmless particles that are safely burned away during combustion. This means no damaging debris is left floating around your engine. It's safe for every gasoline engine, from classics to hybrids, and is particularly effective at restoring lost fuel economy and hesitation in older vehicles. Use it every 3,000 miles as preventative maintenance, and it will keep your entire fuel system, injectors, valves, and combustion chambers in like-new condition. For engines that are past the point of simple maintenance, you need professional-grade strength. Hack number 2, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. BG44K is the secret weapon in many professional mechanics' toolboxes. When a car comes in with a rough idle, significant power loss, and terrible fuel economy from years of neglect, this is what they use. It contains an exceptionally high concentration of PEA, making it capable of dissolving the kind of heavy, baked-on deposits that render other cleaners useless. One treatment doesn't just clean, it acts as a full system reset. The effects are dramatic and lasting. Smoother idle, restored power, and fuel economy improvements that you can see on the dash. It's more expensive per bottle, but you use it less frequently. And for a severely carbon-fouled engine, it's not an expense, it's an investment that can avoid the need for costly injector replacement. And for those who want peak performance along with deep cleaning, there's a premium choice, Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System and Stabilizer. Royal Purple Max Clean is the complete package. It utilizes a powerful synthetic detergent formula that not only cleans at the level of BG44, but also includes fuel stabilizers and performance enhancers. It's designed to do more than restore, it's designed to optimize. Users report noticeable gains in throttle response and overall smoothness after a single treatment. It also protects the cleaned system up to 10,000 miles, making it a fantastic long-term maintenance product. Packaged in a robust metal can, everything about it signals premium quality. If you want the utmost in cleaning power combined with tangible performance benefits and long-lasting protection, this is the top-tier choice. The difference between a cleaner that protects your engine and one that slowly dismantles it comes down to ingredients and intent. You now have the knowledge to choose wisely. Have you had a particularly good or disastrous experience with any of these products? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could help another driver avoid a costly mistake. If this deep dive saved you time and money, hit the like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense guides, and share this with anyone who ever wonders what that bottle at the gas station actually does.